So this video is going to start off a little bit differently. So I'm going to start up the project car for the last time before it gets put into the project, the shell. So let's get that going. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be pulling the control arms and stuff from the rear, taking that all out so then I can reach everywhere I need to weld, and let's get into it. The main issue I was having was my impact gun. The battery was completely shot and could no longer do anything, so I ended up picking up a whole bunch of new tools, and I went with some Milwaukee because I've never heard bad reviews of these. So this is the 3/8 stubby, 1/2-inch drill, some drill bits, some driver bits, some extra lighting, and hopefully that should make this whole job a lot easier. And let's go. Alright, after fighting with a bolt holding the control or the trailing arm in, I finally ended up getting it out. So I got the whole suspension out, ready to be swapped with the other one, e-brake cables and everything. And so right now the exhaust is currently still hanging just by the middle hanger. Nothing much else. So back here the mounts are gonna have to be fixed up, but that's no problem. And I started doing work inside of the car. So we got a couple holes cut out of rot, which are there, and there's still more to go, but it's a start. I can start making templates out of cardboard, cut that out, and then stencil it onto the metal, and then we'll be good to go to start welding them back in.